Okay. Are we good? We're good. All right. I've been streaming on Twitch stuff that nobody's interested in. Um, so I'm always playing with my settings. Okay. Bitcoin. Jump to the month. Let's see. Let's throw in our MACD for our month. So hopefully we'll be seeing this turn around, but this is the monthly scale. So we're looking at months before we see the signal lines cross. Pretty simple. On the month, we're right on that 50. We're damn close to this average trend, right? So we could go under it. There's no doubt we could go under it. Let's go to the week. So, yeah, we're right next to that trend. We've got no signs of support until 19, 19.9, 1800, 18,000. What is that? Yeah, 18,000, 19,000. So that looks bad. We haven't hit this line yet. And it's very possible that we could go underneath this line. So on a weekly, it's definitely telling you to wait, right? Even if you're cost averaging in, you may want to wait on that cost average in. Let's jump to the day. So the important thing here is that we lost the 200, right? So that is telling me that we are looking at some downside. We are already on a 6 candle, a red 6 candle. So if we made it to 5, we can make it to 7. I think we are looking at a few more days of downside, and I think that we're going to drop below 2,400. So I already got rid of some shit coins. I can't remember when I did that, but it was a long time ago. But all the profit that I've taken, I can still buy back in and get more coins than I had. But like I said, there's no rush in. There's no looking at the daily, looking at the weekly. There's very little good news right now. Sit tight. I can't advise you. Right now I'm majority in BTC and ETH, and I got it down at the low. So, and that's a hodl. I can't sell that. I look at it and I think, God, maybe should I sell it? Should I not sell it? I've been thinking that for like maybe 2 weeks. But I'm going to stick to the plan. So, no trades other than selling. I don't have anything. Everything is under attack. All the first layers like VET and Solana are under attack, which is a shame. All the DeFis are going to be under attack, which is a shame. Right? File protocol is under attack. All these things were listed in the SEC documents. So Gary Gensler needs to be fired. You need to contact your representatives because right now, the industry is leaving the United States. So we'll see. This is so. This is the attack. I firmly believe that Bitcoin will win, right? I think I've said that multiple times. This will be much more important globally than anybody can grasp. The adoption is just beginning. That's let me just put it that way. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. There's commentary video guys out there. They talk about the news. Yeah. You can do that. I'm going to get rid of this channel here because it makes no more. It doesn't make sense anymore. Did it exist as a channel? I don't think it quite passed the. I don't think it quite passed my test for a channel. But on the day, I could see a 13 red candle bringing us down below this line. So wait for it. Because when we start to move back above this line, we're going to see a huge jump just like this, which was 34 fucking percent. I want you to think about that. If we drop below this line and then we come back above this line, 34%. So that's the buy that I'm looking to make. And I will probably do that I will probably make that trade on Ethereum. So, is there anything hopeful? For short-term hopium, meaning that, what is today, Thursday? By Sunday, this will either completely be proven wrong or it's a great guess, right? We can draw a line, and we're right there on that line. And I know this is Ethereum, but we can do a very similar thing here on BTC. Does that line make sense? We got 1, 2. If it bounces, this would be our third point of contact. A couple days, we'll let that play out. I suspect we won't see much volatility over the weekend. I suspect that we'll see our drop Tuesday. So I'm out unless I want to. It's times like this that I think maybe what I should do is I should take some profit out of something and make a very, very small short and see what happens. I don't like shorting, but nothing wrong with it. It's just not. Shorting is not as two-dimensional as just playing longs, right? And I prefer to play longs. I prefer to go the soft game. Let's see what Tesla's doing for fun, right? Ooh, Tesla on the day is way overbought. I wouldn't get into Tesla. Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia has been like that's crazy. It's October. It's January. 186% profit. Nvidia has to cool down. There's no way. Nvidia has to cool down. It just has to. It just has to. That's crazy. And oil. Let's look at the oil. Wow. You know, I just have to admit over and over again, I was so wrong on oil, right? Because I think back here at like 210 or $110, $109, I was like, oil has to go up. But it was probably here. It was probably June, right? That I was like, oil has to go up. And look where the hell it is right now. This is not this sounds good. But geopolitically it's not. Not for the United States, not for NATO members, not for most of Europe. This means that US corporations are probably being undercut by Russia and the forming BRICS alliance, right? That's probably what we're looking at. That would be my guess. Nothing. Coinbase. Coinbase has been getting slammed. Now, a lot of people asked me about Coinbase stock a long time ago when it went public. And it went public at like 3. And I got a phone call from a relative asking, should I buy coin right now? It's at 360. And I told them that take whatever the open price was, put that in half, which in this case would have been 312, so it's like 150. And I said, wait for it to get down to 150 and then buy. But Coinbase is getting hammered. Coinbase is getting screwed really hard. But what we're seeing here is this is a pretty hard floor to me on Coinbase. It's a pretty hard floor. And $50, $53, $54 for Coinbase. Coinbase isn't going anywhere, people. And if it does, it's not going anywhere. I don't know what to say. If all they can sell in the United States is Bitcoin, they will take all of their operations overseas and only sell Bitcoin in the United States. That's what they'll do. And they'll fuck everybody. And it won't be Coinbase's fault. It'll be the government's fault. It'll be the SEC's fault. It'll be literally the government is scared shitless by the threat that cryptocurrencies impose on their control. They have so much control over your finances right now, and you don't even realize it. And they want more. They want a lot more. They want to know everything you buy, right? So, Coinbase may be my strongest pick right now. Coinbase and Target. Let's look at Target. Because Target has been getting slammed. Target Corporation. That's on the week too. 135 for Target. So on the month, you're catching knives. Target could drop even more. It's an interesting one. All right. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Bitcoin on the month looks like it's about to start going sideways. On the week, though, we've still got definite room to go down. Definite room to go down. The channel's no longer in play, but this line right here is definitely still in play for me. All right, safe tradings. If you're going to go long, use really, really tight stop limits. All right, make sure that you're out of that trade quick, because on the week, we could see another 4 weeks down, right? And on the day, it's just looking like we're going to be going down till late Monday night, early Tuesday morning. All right. Trade safe.